Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to implement the inbox view. It's this one. We are going to implement this. As you can see, a lot of the behavior is we already implemented it in the trips view, so it will hopefully be very easy to implement today. So let's start coding. First thing, we are going to go back to our trips view. We will go to our enumeration tab selection, and here I don't want the case to be booked and history, because in this case it will be sometimes booked and history, in other cases it will be message and notification. So let's refactor, rename, and call it tab 1, and let's do the same for history. Let's refactor, rename, and call it tab 2. Okay, very nice. Hopefully everything is still working fine. Okay, and the second thing now is to go to let's see, to our empty view. As you can see, currently we take tab selection, image width, and image name, but we need also to change the title, because here it will be no message yet, while here it's no trips. So let's go to our empty view. Inside our empty view, we will create a private var tab1 title, that is a string. We will give it a value by default, that is this one, no trips. That way our code will still be working the way it was, and we will now create another initializer. Let's copy this initializer, and this time we are going to give him a tab1 title of type string. We will add tab1 title of type string, and now it will be self dot tab1 title equal tab1 title. Now we got two initializer. You can choose to use this one or this one. Of course, in our trip view we are using the first initializer, but in our inbox view that we are going now to create, we will use the second initializer. So let's create new file, SwiftUI view. Let's call it inbox view. Okay, our inbox view will be navigation stack. Inside the navigation stack we will have a Z stack. We will have our usual color, which is system gray 6. So color dot system gray 6, and we will ignore the safe area. Okay, now we will have V stack. I won't bother to recreate it because we already did this in trips view. So I will go here and I will take the V stack, this V stack, yes. To be honest, this is not the best way to implement it. We should create a reusable component, but with the Siri coming to an end soon, and the number of hours of Siri already reaching more than 4 hours, I don't want to make it longer than it should be. That's why we will implement it this way. It will be the text. The first one will be messages, and the second one will be notification. Okay, now let's go here to our empty view. We will add the tab1 title that we just added. So we are now calling the second initializer. In our tab1 title it will be, I'm sorry, what's the message? Yes, no messages yet. no messages yet. And for the image name, it will be message. It's an image from our asset folder. If you go to image in assets, you will find one that is called message, this one. Okay. Now for notification view, we don't need this empty view. We will have a vstack. Okay, and inside our vstack, we will have activity. So it will be text activity with a font of dot headline and font weight of dot bold. Something I don't really appreciate here is that it's always on messages. So we will go here and we will change it to tab 2 so we can see our changes. When we finish, we will return it to tab 1. Okay, really nice. Okay, then we will have a divider. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, you can see it's an A stack. So A stack with an alignment of dot top, and you can see it's this circle and the text, they are on the top. Okay, and the spacing of 15. Okay, many of you will see this and will say to themselves, well, this is an image. Well, to be honest, it's not an image. I did this view before I implemented the logo, so I will show you how I implemented this. It was a circle with a frame and width and height of 57 for both, or 75, I'm sorry, 75 for both. And then I gave it an overlay, and here in the overlay I gave it a text. The text was this one, car rental app with a font of caption 2 and the foreground style of white. Of course, the reason why we didn't see the text before, it was because the text by default is black. Okay, now after we do this, we need this is clearly a vstack, so we will create a vstack with an alignment of dot leading. We will have a text that is welcome to car rental app, welcome to car rental app. Okay, I made a mistake for alignment, just writing it. Okay, welcome to car rental app. So for welcome, that's not how it is spelled. Yes, with a font of dot headline and the font weight of semi-bold. Okay, that looks okay to me. Now the second one is thanks for joining the car rental app community. So text thanks for joining the car rental app community. Okay, your adventure starts here. Your adventure starts here, and clearly we need the padding on the A stack. So on the A stack, let's give it dot padding. Okay, and we will finish with a divider. After the padding, we will have a divider. Okay, The view looks to me fine, just this one I don't want to keep it here, so let's create a new view. Let's call it a notification view. We will take the whole V stack, we will paste it here, and now here we will call notification view. Hopefully everything will be working the way it should be. Yes, and now we will go here and return to .tab1, and in the main tab bar view, let's call our inbox view. Okay, I think very nice. It is working the way it should be. Okay, in the next video we will implement the more screen. So if you made it to this video, congratulations, we are getting closer and closer to finishing the app. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe, please like the video, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.